Today our tour of Maine lighthouses takes us to York, Maine, where we fly to the Nubble Lighthouse, also known as the Cape Nettic Light. In 1874, Congress appropriated $15,000 to build a light station at the Nubble, and in 1879 construction began. The Cape Nettic Light Station was dedicated by the U.S. Lighthouse Service and put into use in 1879. It is still in use today. The tower is lined with brick and sheathed with cast iron. It stands 41 feet tall. The light is 88 feet above sea level due to the additional height of the steep rocky cliffs on which it sits. The stanchions of the walkway railing around the lantern room are decorated with 4-inch brass replicas of the lighthouse itself. The lighthouse is considered to be one of the most photographed lighthouses on the coast of Maine. It sits on the summit of Cape Nettic, which is a small offshore rocky island, looking proudly over the Atlantic.